Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about framing. It's a feature within WeCreat software here. You guys know how to autofocus. You know how to create some of your own designs now. Now I'm going to show you guys framing, why you should be doing this every time before you go ahead and print, and how to make sure it lands perfectly on your machine, whether your machine is calibrated or aligned properly. So we're going to jump over to the software. I'm going to show you this framing. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I put a little piece of tape on the board here, and in the software here, you can see I already hit the refresh button like we did in a previous video. What we're going to do is show you the framing feature, how to get this perfect. So we're going to use a rectangle just as an example, and we're going to line just around that piece of tape. We're going to see how accurate this machine really is. So if we think this is good, we're going to just leave it on line engrave. If you're going to do a cut, you can change it to cut like usual. We're going to click start, and then you'll get a couple different options here. It's going to show you what it looks like. Obviously, it looks like I went a little higher than the tape there, but we're going to see if this just boxed it in. That's a really tight fit there. And all you got to do is click frame. So I'm going to switch to the other camera, and I'm going to click that framing button. As you can see, the machine is now coming down, and it is framing out where it's going to hit. And as you can see, this machine is pretty accurate. It went perfectly around that section. If you need to do it again, click framing one more time, and it went perfectly around that. So I'm going to see if I can get a different camera angle and just hold the camera here for you guys. So here's a different camera angle for you. I'm free holding this, so if it wobbles, I'm sorry. I'm going to click frame one more time. As you can see, it goes all the way around, just about perfect there. And that's pretty much the frame feature. That can make sure that you get the perfect framing every single time within the software here. And I'm just going to hit cancel here. But if you're ready to print, I could actually cut that out if I changed it to a cut line versus a score line. But that's pretty much it, you guys. It was a real quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what the framing feature is, how it works, and how you can make sure it's accurate. One last thing. If your machine is not accurate and your framing marked all the way over here, then obviously you can move your marking to the left if it's going to the right, and then you can keep framing that piece until it lines up perfectly like I just showed you. But other than that, if you guys have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.